Have a plumbing emergency? We're standing by 24/7. With certified technicians and a fully stocked fleet, Team Titanz is ready to handle any plumbing emergency for your home or business. We solve all plumbing problems with integrity in a prompt and professional manner. If you're experiencing a plumbing emergency in Charlotte, Sarasota, or Lee County, don't wait. Call Titanz now at 941-875-9669 for all your service needs.